Hi, today I'm going to give a real quick walkthrough overview of the Elgato HD60X from Best Buy as part of the Tech Insider program. This is an updated capture device from Elgato, also known as Corsair. The cool thing about this, and the main reason I selected this, was to be able to record in 4K, and I can confirm that I had no issue recording 4K 30. Looks great. Everything's wonderful. So just a quick overview. In my case, I'm doing PC capturing, so I'm not too concerned about variable refresh rate capturing, but it features that as well. The nice thing about this device is that it also supports pass-through, so you don't have to rely 100% on the system that you're using to do the capturing. You can have its own dedicated monitor. So even though it says here it does 1060p HDR, that's the max it does at HDR. If you don't care about HDR, you can do 4K capture just fine. So you can go to the website for yourself, and take a look at all these specs. I did a little bit some unboxing here. Let me get to the right tab. So simple box. Was able to go through and look at the different aspects here. Comes with all the cables that you might expect. So it's got a 4K HDMI cable. It's got a USB 3 cable. I guess that's important to point out. This is a USB 3 capture device. So if you want to be able to do 4K, you need a good USB 3 port. One nice thing on this is that it has the cable connections all on the back, so you can have everything neatly tucked out of the way here. So this is the device over here in the bottom of my screen, and you can see I've got one input coming from my gaming tower, another output going to my 4K monitor, and then the USB 3 cable, in this case it's a USB-C, is going to my capture PC, which is a separate laptop. Front is nice and minimalistic. It also has an audio port if you want to capture through that audio port. Again, nice and small, compact. So this is just to give you some size reference here on the top of my laptop. And a close-up view. So that is the beast. Let me show it to you in practice here. To pardon my horrible gaming skills. It's up here. Always go with the dark side, of course, when given a choice. And I'll just do a couple seconds. I have been waiting. Come out, wherever you are. Here, little stormtroopers. Oh, there you are. This. Anyway, like I said, my game playing skills aside, give you an overview of what that looks like. It includes its own software for capturing, but as you can see here on the screen, hopefully, I'm using OBS. So a lovely mirror-in-mirror capability here, but OBS gives me the capability to mix multiple video sources. So I've got a couple of different cameras that are coming in here, so you can see it at different viewing angles. different audio sources. I'm using my Bluetooth glasses for audio. That's basically it. It works, right? So you need a good, powerful computer. Check the specs on the website for whatever the minimum requirements are. But I've got a medium-end gaming laptop doing the capturing, and then a high-end gaming desktop actually doing the gameplay. That's it, right? I recommend it. I had a couple support issues, just trying to work out some kinks on audio. Support has been fantastic, very quick. I can highly recommend this, and highly recommend you purchase it from Best Buy. That's it.